if you come into the museum, you'll see 2 peregrine falcons in a case. So I'm going to show you how to draw and make a peregrine falcon. To draw your peregrine falcon, if you draw a big triangle first, that's going to be part of the stand and where his feet would be. Then draw a large oval shape and then a smaller one, the other one way round, on top. And then the idea is to use a pencil and just fill in the corners. So where you've got joins, just fill in those spaces and give him a big hooky beak. And then when you rub out the bits you don't need, you will end up with a shape like that. And that's the basic shape for your peregrine falcon. You might need to look in a bird book to see what a peregrine falcon looks like, and then you can use your felt tips to give him feathers, beak, or you could make an imaginary bird. You will need to cut out 2 feather shapes so that when you've decorated those, you stick one on each side. You'll need to do both sides of your peregrine, and you will need to cut out another little bit like the triangle at the bottom, but just cut the top off. And then if you cut a slit up on the peregrine and a slit down on the other bit, they fix together and your peregrine will stand up.